And now we're ready to take a look at tables and how to change their formatting and presentation. So the two main things we're going to look at is the width and the border for a table. All right, so again, the border, you must have the width or the thickness of the border, which can be 1 pixel, 2 pixel or more. Solid, which is the style of the border, and also the color, black. Okay, so you can set these rules for table, TD, TH. Okay, so let's go do that. So table, declaration, right? Oh no, I think I've done something wrong here. I've accidentally deleted my A link. Didn't mean to do that. Okay, so let's start again. Table, and border is going to be 1 pixel, solid black. Okay, file, save. Except that I don't have a table on my box.html, so let's go create a table quickly. Okay, so in section, I'm going to create a table. Okay. There we go, table. And then of course starts with the TR. And then in each TR, we have a few TDs. Copy, paste. Okay, and then I'm just gonna have a bunch of, actually I'm gonna copy this a few times first. I have 3 rows. Okay, and then in each row I'm just going to have some text in there. There we go. Nope. Copy. Okay, so it could be any text anywhere. Okay, so just oopsies. Copy, paste, paste. Okay. Right, and there we go. So basically just 3 rows and 3 columns table. Okay, so there we have it. And let's go take a look at what this table looks like. Okay, so we have a border for the table, which is only on the outside. So we need them for the TDs as well. Okay, so we need them for the TDs as well. So let's go into the CSS and go TD. You can just copy the same one there. And go File, Save All, and here we go. There we go. Now we have it in the TDs, but it doesn't look that good because it has, if you can see, it has that space there. I don't really want that. So let's see what we can do about that. Okay, so get rid of the double borders. You have to tell the table to border collapse. Collapse. Okay, let's go. It's a table. You want that border collapse. To collapse. All right, and let's go File, Save All. Let's go take a look. And here, there we go. That's so much better. But now look, there's no, space in between them, and that doesn't look so good. So guess what? We have to add padding, right? Let's go add padding in the TD. Okay, padding maybe 10 pixels would be good. Let's go File, Save All, take a look. There we go, much better. Okay, you can zoom out there. That's a lot better than what we had before. Okay, see, and I promised you that we were going to we were going to style your border in a much nicer way using CSS. Now you can do so many things. You can add the padding, you can do background colors in it, right? So let's go to background color in your table. So background color, I'm just gonna go white smoke. I believe that's a color. There we go. And there we have it, right? You can even color each, TD individually, but you need to know how to use class and IDs when you want to style things specifically. And we're going to learn that next class. But I think we have learned enough this class, and I'm going to leave it here for today with our tables. So next, you are going to work on your class activity, and you have learned enough to work on your class activity. You're going to add, style to your tables, to your lists. You're going to style your links. You're going to use flexible widths to all your, header, to your nav. Okay. You're also going to put everything inside of main. So here I have put everything inside of section right now. So for your class activity, you're going to put everything inside of main. The only problem that you might encounter is that some browsers still do not like main. They still don't recognize main as as a proper element. So you might have trouble styling it. So if that's the case, then please just use section. Okay, so I'm gonna save all here. Let's see if that works still. Yeah, so it works in Chrome. It works fine just here. But if you do run into trouble as you're using main, then I would like you to go back and use section. Okay? And that is it for today. Enjoy your class activity.